Imagine going through snowy mountains, ancient places, narrow mountain passes, and high-altitude areas in a freezing cold environment. For most of us, previous year bring the crisis which we have never seen before. But we are here now embracing and exploring outdoors. Luckily enough, we got to witness Winter Spiti in 2022. The task was to covering 1,000 plus kilometers in 5 days on 10 different cars, all high-performance machine made to tackle extreme conditions. We headed up towards an uncharted land. To bring life to the darkness, we have to go and chase the light. Face our fears. After all, there are places to see, people to meet, and adventures to be discovered. A drive across the snowy mountains, as far as the nature allows us to roll.